Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today please join me in cooking patatim. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have onions, garlic, brown sugar, salt and pepper. We have whole black pepper. We have star anise. We got sesame oil, banana blossom, cornstarch, white wine, and soy sauce. So let's get started. We have also the pata, which is already tender because we put this in the pressure cooker a while ago. So let's start. We put oil already on our pan here. Now we're gonna add our onions. Okay. And our garlic. Let's cook this for 1 minute. Now the garlic and onions are cooked, so we can add now our pata. Okay. All right. We'll put soy sauce, like 3 spoons of soy sauce. Okay. We can add also our sugar. Okay. All right. Then I'm gonna stir this a little bit. Okay. There you go. And let's cook this for another minute. Now we're gonna add some water, or the pork stock that we used a while ago. Okay. All right. We'll cover this for at least 3 minutes. Wow, it smells good now. Now this is time to add our whole peppercorn. Okay. And then we'll put 3 pieces of star anise. Okay. We'll cover it again. Now let's check it again. Smells good. I can smell the aroma of the anise. All right. So at this time, we can put our banana blossom. Okay. Let's spread this real good. All right. And then you can add like 2 tablespoons of wine, cooking wine. and also a teaspoon of sesame oil. Okay, then we'll give this a good stir. All right, we'll cover it again and cook for the next 2 minutes. Now let's check our pata tin. Wow. Now this is the right time to put our cornstarch. All right. Okay. And in the next 2 minutes, this is done. We can transfer this into a serving dish. Let's cover it again. Now let's see the pata tin. Okay. Wow. Now we can put our bochoy. Okay. Give it 30 seconds and this will be okay. Here is the finished product, pata tin. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see the future cooking videos. Thank you and have a good day.